Hi, it's Carey.
And Sydney, and this is your cocktail of the week. And to make the cocktail today.
Letting her do one.
One, exactly. She's letting me do one. Okay, this is really cool. We actually just came up with this one. I'm super fired up about it. It's our Firecracker Margarita. We're gonna do 4 ounces of the Firecracker Margarita, which is, just so you know, absolutely delicious on its own. And this is 2 ounces of coconut tequila. Oh, it's good. So good, you guys. It's like crazy how good it is. Okay, we put it in our shaker with ice. Make it really, really cold. Oh God, it's gonna be so good. And we've done a lot of cocktails today. We're at the end. So we decided we'd just do little tiny shots of it. But you can make an entire cocktail out of this because it is absolutely delish.
It's really good.
Cheers.
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 Oh, that's good. And what are we calling it again? The spicy.
It's like a spicy chichi with tequila because it's got pineapple, ancho chilies, and then the coconut tequila.
It's delicious.
It's really good.
Cheers. Cheers.
Mm.